Okay, I got the truck back today. We had the burned up axle and the burned up bearings. And because I didn't have my truck, I didn't get a chance to work on the sound and all that. So I'm going to try and do it during this trip, so bear with me. All right, I'm going to set up my GPS and get on the road. So here we go. Where am I going? Redmond, Oregon is where I'm headed. So let's go. Okay, I am just getting on the 97, headed towards Bend, and then on into Redmond. Okay, here we go.
Continue on Highway 97 North.
Pretty hazy out there from all the smoke. I don't know what it is with fires and me and traveling, but every time I travel, it seems like there's a fire somewhere. It messes up the view. Anyway, I did try to move the camera to a different spot on the windshield, so we'll see if that makes a difference in the sound, you know, the noise that I was having before. I didn't have the truck, so I couldn't mess with it earlier, so I'll have to do it now. Anyway, all these poles that you're seeing to the left, or probably straight in front of you because I have the camera turned to the side, they keep the rocks from rolling down onto train tracks. That's Amtrak goes along there, and I don't know what other train, but I rode the Amtrak from Klamath Falls once to Seattle to visit my daughter, and I remember going across this area here. Felt like we were going to slip off into the lake or river or whatever that is. Klamath Lake, I don't know. But that train trip was beautiful. There was a little bit of snow here and there, and I remember at one place it was like pine trees and, you know, just like what you're seeing here, the dead brush. And then we went through a tunnel, and when we came out of the tunnel, it was ferns and lush green, and it was kind of like slipping into another realm. It was pretty. Oh, I wanted to thank you guys. I saw this morning that I hit 600 subscribers on YouTube. So thank you everyone for subscribing and following along. I'm anxious to get to 1,000 subscribers so that I can stream live from my cell phone. They apparently don't let you do that anymore. I did it the first couple of times about a year ago off my cell phone, and I didn't have any problems, but apparently they've changed it so that you can only do a live stream on YouTube when you have 1,000 subscribers. I think my last live YouTube video was called Life is a Biatch or something like that. That was when I pulled over driving that 31-foot motorhome during the Delta fires on I-5 just out of Weed headed towards Redding. Yeah, a lot of people told me that they couldn't believe I was so funny when I was so scared. To be honest with you, I couldn't either. I was pretty freaked out. So Crater Lake, 1 mile. If I had the time, which I don't, I would love to go to Crater Lake. Once I get to Seattle, the only reason I'm on a timeline right now is because I'm gonna pick Judy up at the airport in Seattle on a certain day, of course, when her flight comes in. So I'm kind of on a schedule. I am on a schedule until I pick her up, and then after her, then I really am not on a schedule after that. I can get rid of my timelines, my deadlines, things like that, and just travel. Oh, my husband and I, before he passed away, we stopped at there's a train museum back here. Yeah, I took lots of pictures for my grandkids. It was pretty interesting. Chiloquin River, and didn't see the last of it. Yeah, Train Mountain Railroad Museum, which is off the Chiloquin Road and Highway 97 North. Really, really neat place to go if you enjoy trains. I know Dave's RV Life. Dave did a train museum type of stop at one point. It was pretty interesting. And he knows a lot about trains. Oh, looky there. There's an airplane right in the middle of that field. That's it. Oh, it's not in the field. It's parked there. Okay. We've been traveling for about 5 months. I am going to the band build in Parker, Arizona, and then I'm going to Lollapalooza. I believe that's the end of October. If you guys have any comments or suggestions about what I should do for the volume and the noise, you know, if I'm doing something wrong, or if there's something I can change, or something you can think of to make it better, please comment below and tell me what to do about this.
So, I forgot to turn the camera back on. Anyway, I'm at my mother-in-law's house. There's her place right there. And I got a big old fly in here. Anyway, so I am parked here for at least 2 nights. Well, at the most 2 nights. Anyway, I guess I'm gonna have to open up the TrailManor because all my clothes are in it. I hadn't planned on opening it, but anyway. Okay, so I'm going to Dandy's house, and I'll be here for a couple days. And if we do something fun, exciting, wonderful, then I'll bring you back. Otherwise, I'll see you when I head towards Seattle. Doodles!